President Emmerson Mnangagwa has issued a stern warning to Zimbabwean journalists on Wednesday, stating that content deemed harmful to the country or its citizens would not be tolerated and would be met with a punch in the eye. Sanapinda mashoko anongonzwa mutungamiri wenyika panguva inoi achipa mawarning kune majournalist vanoproducer aiwa content ingava harmful kuma citizens nobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina munaupana pamudanyo pamuchinzi. Speaking at the launch of Zimbabwe's media and communications policy in Harare, Mnangagwa declared the past trends where media practitioners competed for prominence on the degree to which they demonize our country has no place in Zimbabwe we fought for. We are building the Zimbabwe we all want, including the media. Content that harms our country and fellow citizens has no place in our constitutional democracy under my watch. The law and justice system will take its course on all those who infringe on the rights of others on media platforms. Under my leadership, the media will continue to be our cornerstone for promoting unity, peace, social cohesion, harmony, and the love for our country. Anything besides this, Chibakira Muzizo will punch you in the face. This warning comes after Alpha Media Holding senior journalist Blessed Mhlanga was recently granted bail on May 7, having been detained for 22 days. Mhlanga was arrested on February 24 and charged with transmitting data messages that incited violence or damage to property after interviewing a former senior member of the ruling ZANU-PF party, Blessed Keza, who yet criticized President Mnangagwa, calling for his removal from office. Amnesty International has called for all charges against Mhlanga to be dropped, describing his prosecution as unjust and in contravention of Zimbabwe's constitutional and international obligations to respect and uphold the rights to freedom of expression and press freedoms. Ndo mashoko anobuda anyorwa panguva ino ndina mutungamiri wenyika aiwa uya achisa zvirango kune majournalist achivaudza kuti aiwa mukango kuviolata mutemo kana kutaura mashoko anoonekwa kunzi anoincita violence kana kukonzeresa damage kune macitizens kana to the country at large. I will going to punch you. Kune section yedu muzemafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.